Hey everyone, it's Victoria Fisk here. Today, I'm excited to share my top finance tips to boost your financial savvy. Whether you're starting out or improving your strategy, these tips are for you. Let's dive in. First, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to savings each payday. The 50-30-20 rule is a great budgeting technique. Allocate 50% to needs, 30 to wants, and 20 to savings and debt. Make the most of cashback and rewards programs on your credit cards. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Consider investing in index funds. They offer a diversified portfolio with lower fees. Regularly track your spending to understand where your money goes. Use a spending tracker app to identify areas to cut back. Create multiple income streams to boost your financial stability. Consider side hustles, freelance work, or rental properties. And there you have it, my top finance tips. Implement these tips to boost your financial savvy and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable financial advice. Stay fabulous and financially savvy.